How to buy RAI, the Reploy token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and make sure to keep following the updates about this token. And now after that, as you can see, this token, it's available on the screen as you can see. If you don't have an account, you need to just go and create one. Now as you can see, this token has the liquidity locked by 99%. That's mean your investment in a safe place. Now, as you can see, this token is under Ethereum network. Now copy the token address from here and go to your Bitkit wallet or any wallet that you use. Now I will use the Bitkit wallet for this. So from here, select the Ethereum as a network and click on this plus icon. Now paste the token address as you can see. And now as you can see, this is our token. Just click on plus icon. Now go back to your wallet and find this token. Now after that, this is our token. Just click on it. And now click on swap here. And after that, switch it and select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now type here how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you want, how much you will receive with that token. If you are ready to go, just click on buy and you will buy this token. So this is how to buy RAI, the Reploy token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.